Hey there, fellow consultants. We hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we want to chat about a critical decision you might be contemplating in your consulting journey. Yes, we're talking about whether or not to form an LLC. Now, we know the world of business structures can be a bit daunting sometimes, especially when you're busy offering your expertise to others. So here we are, breaking it down to the basics just for you. You might be wondering if forming an LLC is the right move for you as a consultant. Well, let us go ahead and tell you. It can offer a world of benefits. Firstly, let's have a look at the financial aspect. Did you know that about 78% of businesses in the US are individually owned? Now, while this might seem like a convenient choice, having an LLC can protect your personal assets just in case things go south. It's like keeping your eggs in different baskets. Next, let's talk about credibility. An LLC can add a professional touch to your business name. It tells your clients that you're committed and here to stay. It even opens doors to business opportunities that might not be available otherwise. Now, while we're at it, let's not forget about the tax benefits. You know, in the consulting world, every penny saved is a penny earned. Forming an LLC can potentially provide you with tax choices that can lead to savings, and we're sure you'll appreciate keeping more of your hard-earned money. So, fellow consultants, if you're contemplating giving your business a firm ground and a strong identity, an LLC can be your best pal. It nurtures your business, providing it with the protection and credibility it deserves. And guess what? When you decide to take this step, we at legalregistration.com are here to assist you in every way. With being the #1 third-party organization in the USA, we've got your back, offering full-scale LLC formation services to consultants and all other professions. So come join hands with us and let's give your consultancy the LLC advantage it truly deserves. Together, we can make your business journey smoother and more secure. Get started now by visiting legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion of LLCs? Are you intrigued by the many advantages having an LLC can provide? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.